Take a ride in the 2017 Explorer.
You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices.
This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate,
Brake assist,
traction control,
remote keyless entry,
fog lights,
four-wheel disc brakes,
speed control, ventilated front seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.